How to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you two of the best ways to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp. Let's get started with the first method. Open WhatsApp on a device. You will land on the chat section. This is the default chat section where you will see all your chats till date. Since I have archived all my WhatsApp chats, this default chat section is currently empty. However, it is not completely empty. Take a closer look. Here's an option labeled Archived. This option only appears if you have archived at least one chat. Since I have archived all my WhatsApp chats, it's visible to me. Tap on the Archived option. You will find all your archived chats right here. To unarchive all these chats at once, tap and hold any chat. Then, tap on the three vertical dots at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on the option for Select All. Finally, tap on the Unarchive icon. As you can see, the archived section has disappeared automatically and we have been redirected to the chat section with all our chats we stored. Now let's move on to the second method to unarchive all chats at once. To make the demonstration clear, I have archived all my chats once again. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top. A menu will appear. Select Settings. Then select Chats. Scroll down to the end. Now tap on Chat History. Over here, you will see the option to unarchive all chats. Tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Tap OK. As you can see, the option for unarchive all chats has changed to archive all chats, confirming that all your chats have been successfully unarchived. Let's verify if this method worked or not. Come back to the chat section. As you can see, all my chats have been unarchived and are now visible in the default chat section. And boom! You have successfully learned two of the best methods to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.